players have to go again, and this time it's a Super 1000 event. Proof positive, the HSBC BWF World Tour is one of the toughest challenges in professional sport. We've had shocks aplenty so far, and there may well be more to come on quarter-final day at the Indonesia Open.
What wonderful play by Wei Yazin, wow! And they've done it! Zhang Jinbang and Wei Yazin make their 5th semi-final of the year.
That's a nice shot.
There it is, Zhang and Wei. They'll have to raise it big time tomorrow against Zhu and Wang in the final.
Welcome to finals day. We start with mixed doubles.
Oh!
My goodness. Wow. It's gone wide. Opening game, 21-11 in favour of the number 5 seed. Brilliant. And that will do their first Super 1000 title when competing in their first Super 1000 final.
Lewin Tan against Beck and Lee of Korea, with Jill Clark and Steen Pedersen in a moment.
Lovely drop. Brilliant. Wow. Their most dominant match so far in the semi-final of the Indonesia Open. We turn our attention to women's doubles and the best 2 pairs on the planet. Brilliant. Nice. What an extraordinary opening game. Yeah, that's very, very well spotted. What a super shot. What a performance by Baekar and Lee So-hee.
That's a fantastic tournament they've played.
Chen Yufei and Sung Sho-yun, which we're about to watch, will play the winner of Han Yue and Carolina Marin. Look at the pace of that. With a drop shot like that, that's a drop from another galaxy. Chen Yufei soldiers on.
We're going to see the other women's semi-final, Carolina Marin versus Chen Yufei. Very aggressive, Chen Yufei. The attacks look really good today, Chen Yufei, hasn't it?
What a hard-earned point by Chen Yufei.
Brilliant win for Chen Yufei. Terrific match to watch.
It is the reigning world champion, An Se-young, up against the reigning Olympic champion, Chen Yufei.
Brilliant.
My goodness me. Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Opening game to last year's champion. Lovely. An Se-young takes the second game. Fei is champion once more here.
Tomal Popov will be on his way very shortly if he isn't already. So this is going to be a test of his stamina as well as his skill. And an even bigger cheer for Shi Yuqi. What a get from Shi Yuqi.
That's a good one.
Well, he could have hit that anywhere he wanted. Well, what a battle, but he gets over the line in the end, Shi Yuqi, who made it into a terrific spectacle. A lot of respect between those two.
Next up on semi-final Saturday is the men's singles. Li Shifeng against Shi Yuqi. Oh, that's a magnificent smash. Brilliant. Superb. Lovely. And Shi Yuqi beats Li Shifeng. Nanna's Antonsen up against Shi Yuqi, who will become the world #1.
That's a beauty.
21-9 opening game. Shi Yuqi lands in, and it is 1 game all. Nice. He becomes only the 4th player from China ever to win the men's singles title here. Well, a very fitting way to become world #1. Go Si Fei and Noor Izzuddin of Malaysia up against the Asian champions Liang Weikeng and Wang Chang, the former world #1s. Oh, brilliant. 1 game all, extraordinary comeback. And they've done it on their first match point opportunity. 21-19 in the deciding game. So welcome back to Istora Senayan for semi-final Saturday here. Nice. Oh, that wasn't so good.
Great control.
A very good performance by the Chinese pair, Liang Weikeng and Wang Chang. Well, one more final to come, and it's men's doubles. Opening game to the Malaysians. Yeah, well taken by Wang Chang. 1 game all.
Well done by Liang there.
Brilliant. This time. And a second Super 1000 title of the year for Liang Weikeng and Wang Chang. This has been a major step forward in their careers.